and a good morning, and welcome to another day, another vlog, another video. So good morning guys, how the devil are we? That car's gonna fucking... How the devil are we, people? Did you hear that? Fucking huge bang. So yes, I'm on my way to work this morning. As I normally do. That time again, Mr. Flappy. So yeah, as I said, I'm on my way to work that time, and I am absolutely fucking knackered. Let's go the other way today. I ain't got much time this morning because I'm running late. You fucking asshole. So yeah, where was I? Little spin round the block. So I've just started doing the editing on the holiday vlog that I did. So far it's taken me 4 hours to do 4 minutes or something. So yeah, it's taken me a while. Bitch. Dooby-dooby-doo. Yeah, I know it's not perfect, still see the outline, but look, it's got to be better, innit, for now. Up under there as well. Might do for now. Right, let's get the fuck home. Let's get the fuck home, motherfuckers. So guys, how are we doing? As you can tell, I've fucking bollocks. Oh. I've just finished work. I've had to go and put some tape on the rear mudguard just to hide that unsightly mark. Alright, let's go. Better down this way. Cunt. So yeah, just covers that up a little bit. I don't know how long or how much it'll last, but it covers it. That's all I'm bothered with for the minute. That's literally all I'm bothered with, as long as it's now safe to a point. As I said, that's all I'm bothered with, as long as it covers the hole. It's fine. That'll do me till I get another one. Fucking arsehole. It's people like that that fucking take the back end of the fucking bike off. Fucking pieces of shit. Sorry. It just really fucks me off, that does. fucking idiot in that blue van doing? So anyway guys, sorry about that, so I'm doing my normal concentrated and shit. So I shall catch you in the next video guys. You take care, thank you very much for liking, subscribing and watching my channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. Make sure you stay awesome people, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy, bye bye.